Aw, shit. I didn't do my Duolingo lessons. What is he gonna say now? Alright, before we get into the video, let's just say that I'm doing Truck Chaos again because, well, I watched my videos. Out of the Truck Chaos videos in total, I only got 20 views for both. That's interesting to say the least, but I decided to give another shot at it and hopefully get more views. Shit, literally, the first video. Wrong. The first video has the most views. I can see why. You guys love rivals. It died out, guys. If you want more rivals, sorry, I can't. I can't do it with this guy. But enough with that. Truck Chaos has outgrown to me. It's not gonna be one of my favorites, but yeah, it's a hobby that I could possibly do for games that are when I get bored and record videos so you guys don't miss out. Let's go. Truck Chaos. Oh, not. Money! No, I forgot the abilities. Back. No, back. Back. Back! Back, motherfucker. Okay, let's go. I'm really gonna do a lot of editing in this video. Am I right, boys? Wait, hold on. I already have double jump. I already own double jump. Hold on. Wait, I have hover. Hold on. Guys, I'm going gambling. What the? Do I have this already? Hold on. I'm confused. I have these already? What? Yeah, okay. Let's go. Let's go 29 to be safe. You know what? I'm trying hard. Let's go try hard. No. Oh, I can triple jump. Hey! What did that truck do to that one? It violated the other truck. That truck. Oh! I can't activate my abilities. The truck violated me now. For Santa has not given you presents. What the? Bulldog, spicy ramen. Back shots. Flying in the sky. No clipping into trucks. I'm going to become a rapper now because you know my symphony is good. Flying in the sky with trucks. Okay, I'll stop talking now because that's not my career. No, I'm not entitled to being a rapper. So I was just joking. Gotta go try hard. Gotta go fast. Gotta go faster. Oh my goodness, I did not. Oh. This one right here. Yeah, I'm being wise, guys. I'm being Albert Einstein. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Albert Einstein mode. Technically, that's not Albert Einstein mode. Huh? That's it? What the? Well, guys, that is it. Because currently Truck Chaos is having a few minor, not minor, but they're not. This is just a beta version of the game. If you guys want me to see this, we need to at least reach 50 views for the next update of Truck Chaos. So, if you guys like it, yeah. Please like, subscribe, comment, whatever you want to do. Your choice, not mine. But yeah, hope you enjoy this video. Yeah. If you like the video, please let me know. Enjoy the video. I'll make Truck Chaos later. But that's the end of my Truck Chaos career. Goodbye.